Have you ever wanted to divide a space in your home without building a full wall? Or maybe you want more privacy, better organization, or just a stylish interior upgrade. Today we are talking about partitions used in homes and the most popular types you can choose from. So let's get started. So the first type that we look at is brick partitions. Brick partitions are strong, durable, and permanent. They are usually used when a solid separation is required, such as between rooms. The pros are high strength and good sound insulation, while the cons include them being very heavy and not easy to modify later. Next, we come on to glass partitions. They are very popular in modern homes. They help divide spaces while still allowing natural light to pass through. Common uses are in the living room and dining area and home offices. The pros include them being very bright and stylish and making the spaces look bigger, while the negatives are requiring regular cleaning and less privacy unless frosted or tinted. The third most common type of partitions used are wooden partitions, which add warmth and elegance to interiors. They can be solid panels, slatted designs, or decorative screens. The upsides are the aesthetic appeal and customizable designs, while the downsides are the high cost and sensitivity to moisture. The fourth category that we look at today is gypsum board or drywall partitions, which are lightweight and commonly used in modern apartments. The pros include easy installation, smooth finish, and them being very cost effective, while the downsides are less impact resistance and not suitable for heavy loads. Sliding or folding partitions are another popular category these days. They are perfect for flexible spaces. You can open or close them as needed. The common materials used for these kind of partitions are wood, glass, and PVC, and they are best for studio apartments and living rooms. They are great for making small spaces more functional. Metal partitions are often made of aluminum or steel frames, and they are used in modern and industrial style homes. The pros are them being very strong and durable and requiring low maintenance, while the downside is that they can look cold if not designed well. The last type we look at today are decorative and temporary partitions, which include room dividers, curtains, bookshelves, or screens. They are perfect for renters or anyone who wants a quick and affordable solution. Having looked at so many different types of partitions, how do we choose the right one? So before choosing a partition, we need to consider points like what is the purpose of using it? Is it privacy or decoration? The space available to us, the budget, light and ventilation, and the permanence. Because the right partition can completely transform your home. Partitions are a smart and stylish way to organize your home without major construction. From brick and wood to glass and sliding panels, there's a partition for every home and every budget. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more interior design tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.